You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to get long hair fast. Tips number 6. When you wish for long luscious locks but instead you're stuck with short or thin hair, then you can consider hair extensions to give your styles more oomph. You don't need to wait another year for your hair to grow. There are much easier ways to complement your hair's length and thickness, and they come in the form of different kinds of hair extensions. Some hair extensions are made with synthetic materials, and others made with human hair. With hair extensions made with human hair, you have categories, or grades to characterize the quality of the hair used. For example, the highest grade is A, which uses 100% hand-selected human hair with aligned cuticles. Grade B hair and Grade C hair is of lower quality. So, what kind of extensions can you buy that use 100% human hair? Here's a brief list of some of the brands available. Great lengths hair extensions, these are to be applied in the salon, at a shed with a keratin bond that can be dissolved with a removal solution that won't damage your natural cuticles once it's time to have the extensions detached. These extensions use 100% human hair and are available in 40 shades and 14 fashion colors, lasting about 2 to 3 months if you take the proper care with them. Cinderella hair extensions, you also need to go to the salon if you want to have these extensions attached. They require a low-temperature bond applicator to attach the 25 strands of already bonded hair to your own locks. Afterwards, they can be detached using a bond removing solution that doesn't leave residue on your own tresses. These extensions are made from human hair, but you can also find the synthetic line too. If you treat these extensions well, they can last up to 3 months. Easy Clips hair extensions, made from grade A, 100% human hair. These extensions are probably the best for anyone who wants an instant change to their look with lots of volume and length. Available in a variety of shades, Easy Clips are instantly attached to your own locks and can be instantly removed without fuss. Each pack arrives with 10 peaks of hair of varied lengths to help you style more efficiently. Even though synthetic hair extensions are cheaper, they don't look as soft or as natural as 100% human hair extensions, so the best thing to do is spend a bit more to enjoy a more natural looking style. Over the last few years, hair extensions have gained immense popularity as it gives freedom when to lengthen or when to add volume to your hair. Apart from running to the hairdresser for addition of extensions, clip-in hair extensions have become a less time-consuming alternative. This is also the latest method to thicken your hair, and is widely available online from specialist hair extension stores. There is a plethora of styles ranging from simple ponytail version to small colored clips to be attached to the natural hair as striking colored streaks. Furthermore, this enhances your personality and adds length and volume to your existing hairstyle. The great benefit of these hair extensions is that you can style your hair in order to curl them, blow dry or straighten them to match your style to perfection. Another major cause for the popularity of the hair extension is that natural hair takes a lot of efforts and time to grow, whereas clip-in human hair extensions offers you the desired instant long hair in minutes. Also, it makes you confident enough to experiment with your look and style whenever you want. Clips are simple to put on and don't damage your hair. Human clip in this case made from human natural ones, and thus combine with the shade of your natural hair color and are available in different kinds of textures. The use of these for African American hair is also available in the market, and possesses a bit thicker texture than other hair fibers. Though, human clip-in extensions are more costly than synthetic extensions, but tenders a number of features including safe to dye, style, color, and straighten. Clips in hair extensions are available either in full head set, streaked quick fixers or double weft sets. The extensions entail various lengths of human hair with small clips, which can be easily secured to the hair. However, before making a final purchase, always search for high-quality hair extensions. In addition, check out human hair clip-in extension reviews on the internet to make it easy for you to choose a reputed product which can't cause any damage to your hair. There are many brands who also sell extensions of same kind, but you must ensure that you buy an appropriate style, shade, and most significantly the length of these to go with your face cut and facial features. Keep them properly and well maintained so that they look in best condition, so this hair accessory spice up your locks. It happens all the time, you see a celebrity with H and ultra chic bob, and by the next day her hair is a long, shiny mass of curls. What's this? Does Hollywood have some special, miracle grow, water? No, the answer is much simpler: hair extensions. Hair extensions, as their name suggests, are sections of hair added to your own natural hair, giving it added volume and length, even changing its style. Extensions can be real or synthetic. The most expensive and most natural-looking extensions are made from human hair. Other alternatives are animal hair, treated human hair, and synthetic fibers. Hair extensions are available in many different colors, textures, styles, and lengths. A skilled stylist can choose hair extensions that are virtually indistinguishable from your own hair. Extensions made from human hair can be styled after application. This enables wearers to have greater flexibility and naturalness in their daily style. Synthetic hair, on the other hand, is colored and styled before application and cannot be changed. Hair extensions science can be applied in a variety of ways depending on your needs and budget. For a fun, inexpensive, and temporary change of style, consider clip-on extensions. These are available at most department stores. Ponytail extensions are popular choices in clip-ons. Though clip-ons are generally not available in subtle color variations, they do come in all of the more common shades. For a larger commitment in time and money, hair extensions can also be attached to hair by weaving, sewing, braiding, gluing, and tubing. Some of these methods can last from 2 to 6 months with proper application and maintenance. These methods should be performed in a salon. To determine which method best suits your lifestyle and your hair, do your research and speak to a qualified professional. For the health of your natural hair, make sure the person applying the extensions is a licensed cosmetologist. Learn the facts on maintaining good health, grooming needs, living conditions, and more when it comes to the domestic long-hair cat. The domestic long hair is the same breed of cat as the domestic short hair, but with longer fur. It is descended from cats that were brought to America aboard ships to Nt rats and was selectively bred in America into today's domestic long hair. The name domestic long hair is given to cats whose parentage is in question, otherwise, it is referred to as an American long hair, and only American long hairs can be show cats. This long-haired cat does require regular grooming if it does not like to groom itself, and must be bathed every 1 to 2 weeks as part of the grooming process. For this reason, and many others, domestic long-hair cats do not make good outdoor cats. Their coats are prone to matting which, if not attended to properly, can lead to infections. Domestic long-hair coats can come in a wide range of colors and patterns. There is no standard or predictability in color. This breed of cat also has almost as many different personalities, so it is relatively easy to find a suitable cat for any environment and family. There is no average weight for this breed, but domestic long hairs tend to be a medium-sized cat. On average, they will live for 12 to 20 years. Domestic long hairs are a hardy breed of cat, as part of their working cat heritage, and do not have any specific medical problems or concerns, but they can be prone to OBS/ITY, so it is important to monitor their diet. There is a website that has great information on the domestic long hair and most other breeds of cats. Many men and women desire luscious locks that flow in the wind. Whether your hair is thinning, balding, or just falling out, it can be upsetting and lower self-confidence. People who are losing their hair try to seek out products or medications to grow their hair back. The reality is that a lot of these products contain chemicals that can impair your health or cause long-term health problems. We have some good news, though. You can stimulate hair growth by using natural remedies. While you're using these natural solutions, it is important to maintain a healthy diet regimen. Eating fruits or vegetables that are high in vitamin A can be fantastic for hair growth. Eliminate processed foods, meat, dairy products, salt, sugars, and junk foods from your diet for the best results. Natural remedy number 1, scalp massage with hot oil. Massaging the scalp helps to increase circulation, which ultimately stimulates hair growth. Rub your scalp with your fingertips in a circular motion for about 5 minutes a day to increase blood flow. Heat up some oil, either olive or coconut, in a double boiler and massage it into your scalp. The warmth of the oil helps penetrate the hair shaft, and it can reduce dandruff. Natural remedy number 2, decrease stress. Being stressed out can cause health problems such as hypertension, chronic back pain, and it can even cause hair loss. Aside from getting massages to relax, you can meditate, exercise, do yoga or tai chi, and even try hypnotherapy sessions to help relieve stress. Natural remedy number 3, use rosemary. Rosemary has an array of benefits. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and antiviral properties. And it helps to strengthen roots, eliminate dandruff, and promote healthy hair growth. How does it do this? Rosemary unclogs blocked hair follicles and increases circulation in the scalp. Steep fresh rosemary sprigs in 2 cups of hot water for 5 minutes, allow it to cool, remove the sprigs, and rinse your hair with this after shampooing. Natural remedy number 4, lemon juice. Lemons are awesome sources of vitamin C and all of the B vitamins. In addition to having a load of antioxidants, lemons can promote shiny, dandruff-free hair, and it stops hair loss when applied to the scalp. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply this to your scalp and leave it on for 45 minutes. Wash it out in soap with a mild shampoo. Do this a couple times a week. Natural remedy number 5, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the good stuff. It helps alkalize the body and can promote faster hair growth. It helps maintain the pH balance of the hair and stimulates hair follicles. Establishing a neutral pH balance in your hair is great because products like gels or styling creams can damage the hair. Natural remedy number 6, fenugreek. Fenugreek, weird name aside, it is fantastic for hair growth because it has a high protein content. Soak the fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Strain the water out the next morning and blend the seeds into a paste. Using your fingers, massage some coconut oil on your scalp and follow that up with the paste. Let it sit for an hour before rinsing and shampooing. Do this a couple times a week for best results. Natural remedy number 7, Indian gooseberry. Also referred to as alma, Indian gooseberry can help encourage hair growth and help with premature graying hair. Warm some coconut oil in a pan and cook peaks of dried Indian gooseberry in it until they are charred. Strain the oil and let it cool. Massage your scalp with the cooled oil and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a light shampoo and do this on a weekly basis. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.